Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I do have an unboxing of my Erin Condren goodies. So this year I actually decided that I actually wanted to go back and just go back into Erin Condren. I'm not too happy with the Happy Planner, and I just really thought that Erin Condren would be the best way to go. Sorry for the little bit of a rumble here. My camera has been trying to fall on me at this position like all day now, so I'm just going to try to set this right here, and hopefully everything will go as planned pretty much for this particular video. But anyway, I just wanted to change planners this year. I got a lot of accessories and so forth, and so I just thought I was going to go back to my first true love, and I'm going to use the Erin Condren planner this year. I know I was planning on using the other two Happy Planners that I have, but you guys, there's something about your first planner, and I think that first whole setup that you use that just keeps you going back. So anyway, let's go in here and see the goodies that I got. Of course, it always comes in her signature box. So this is the signature box, and then when we look inside the box, I have a little sticky tag here. It says enjoy, and then you also have the quote here. It's a little postcard, and then we have the tab that says enjoy. So let's get into this. Alright, so you guys can see how everything's packaged. Definitely have the bubble wrap, and here are the goodies and accessories that I ordered. So they had this reusable bag this year that they were using, and this is like from her new collection. So they have a nice woven bag for you, and people were saying it's a nice size bag, and it actually is a pretty nice bag to like go grocery shopping with or whatever. I think it's like Woven Wonders or something like that is the name of it. So they came with a bag that you can take with you. And bags like this, I love to have them for like amusement parks. It's something that you can just fold down into your pocket. And then if you purchase anything at an amusement park or whatever, you can just use one of these bags. So they definitely come in handy in the long run. The next thing I got is a pen holder. I love her pen holders. They hold up pretty well. So I went ahead and I picked up a pen holder. So that's what that is. Then this here says Next Adventure, and I love this, you guys. This right here is going to be, it's more like a travel dashboard. And for me, I was going on trips this year, you guys, and I pretty much forgot everything that I had. So this is definitely going to help me out. It tells you the essentials you need to bring, any documents if you're going maybe out of the country, any technology that you need to bring with you, such as your iPhone, charger, stuff like that, clothes and how to dress for whatever season, accessories that you may need to go with those clothes, where to and for how long, so you know how to pack. Has your health and hygiene, beauty and makeup. I love makeup, so this will definitely help me out, and just help me also to narrow down to just take the bare essentials, necessities. And then also you have this other little spot here, and then on the back it says use the space to plan out your outfits and schedule your sightseeing or your budget your spending. So this would also be really nice, I think, for a vacation, because a lot of times when we go on vacation, I feel that we really don't think about our expenses while we're on vacation. And if you're kind of on a budget and you still want to stay within that budget, you might want to track your finances even when you're on vacation. So that's always a good idea. But I like that you can also just plan out your itinerary and how you're going to sightsee and do stuff. So I definitely like this whole idea. So I'm very happy about that. Then the next thing I also picked up was the grocery list. Now this is a biggie for me with this grocery list, because I'm someone that I'm trying to get healthy, you guys. I've been saying this forever, but I think I'm kind of getting in that whole mindset now where I want to get healthy. Healthy is my #1 key, and just really actually putting in the time and the work. So I think this is really great here. It has all your fruit and vegetables. It has your condiments that you may need, dairy, grain, bread, your frozen stuff. So this is also really good, especially during the summer if you have kids or maybe planning out a meal plan. This is really helpful. It has like just the main meats and seafood and poultry. You can add more. I like that it also gives you spaces to add more stuff that you might like. And so forth, and paper goods and so forth. So you can also use this for like the entire household too. And then maybe over here you keep like a cleaning schedule or something. So that really works out. And then on the back of this, it just has a blank thing here. So maybe with this side, you could make out a cleaning list or make out your whole meal plan for that week. So I definitely like that as well. I think this is really, really cute and really handy. And then the next thing I have is the wellness insert. I wanted to pick this up as well. And the thing about the wellness insert is, like I said, I'm trying to get healthy, you guys. I think I can do this. So it's Monday through Sunday. You can put the week of. It has your breakfast and then your snack, your lunch and snack, dinner and activity. And then you can also track your calories, your cardio, whatever you want to track down here at the bottom. So I really do like this, guys. I think this is also going to be something that's going to come out to be very helpful in the long run. Can you guys actually, are you seeing that pretty well there? Maybe we can get you better adjusted. But come on. There we go. So I think this is going to be really helpful as well. It's just planning out meals and kind of getting an idea of how to prep my meals. And then on the back, it gives you, this is your target heart rate. So it tells you what your heart rate should be for your age. So this is also, I think, very beneficial if you're someone that's trying to do maybe HIIT training or something like that while you're exercising. This would be a great way to keep record of that. And last but not least, well, I actually have two more things in here. Here is my planner. Now, I think I went with the dots, and I love this. This is so pretty. At first, I wasn't too sure because, to me, Erin Condren planners, as you guys know, are really expensive, but I always think they're worth it. I really think the quality that she makes for her planners and everything, I really do think they're worth it, you guys. Especially if you get one of her planners. Her planners are absolutely beautiful. So this is what the planner looks like. It has a ruler here, which I'm not going to attach right now. I did opt to get the gold rings on this particular planner. Let me do this. Let me take that off and just pull out the rest of my goodies. So let me move the box really quick. Okay. So this is the planner, you guys. I love this planner. I can tell you that already. I'm going to try to angle you guys down just a little bit more. I love this planner already, and I can definitely tell you guys that. I love Erin Condren planners. I think that they are just the epitome of a great overall calendar, a really pretty calendar, and the setup of a planner. And so I did opt to get the gold rings. I did pay extra for those, but the gold foiling on this, can you guys see that? Is absolutely beautiful. I just love this. This is me. This planner is actually me. I can honestly say that. So this is what it looks like on the inside. I don't know why mine has a barcode right there, but that's what it looks like. And then this is the pouch that they give you. This is like the Keep It All pouch. I'm not really a big fan of her pouches. One year I got it, it was kind of off. And then the next year I got one, the little button thing on it broke. So I'm really not big on the pouches. I think they're kind of cheaply made. She does give you a coil, an insert thing there to attach that with. Then you also get the little bookmarks. You get more of the cards here. And then you get the coupon that you can share with a friend. So you also get that in there as well. Then here is the vellum that's on there. And then here is the planner. Okay, so that's the first page. And I did happen to get it in colorful, you guys. This planner is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I'm really happy with this. It's absolutely beautiful, you guys. So that's that. Just really impressed with this. This is beautiful. It starts in July. So that's what it looks like. She's still got the holidays, and she's also got the moons on here as well. You got a note section over here on the side. And I did happen to go with the vertical versus the horizontal. And the reason why is I think I came with a method that I'm going to use. This year, my whole goal is to be more of a functional planner than a decorative planner. So that's my main goal. Excuse me. So I'm definitely going to have some planner videos and some plan with me's, because I think it's really time that I personally get back into being a functional planner as opposed to just a regular planner. So that's my main goal this year, is to kind of really get into it and to really work towards being more of that functional planner. So absolutely beautiful, you guys. The paper is of really nice, thick, heavy quality. This is just absolutely beautiful. I love this. This one has Grandparents' Day. Autumn Begins. I love this. This is beautiful, you guys. I really, really like it. So for October, she did orange. November, we got a blue. In December, we got a green. That's a lighter green, but I can go with that. So that's not bad. And then, of course, the calendar goes all the way to June of next year. And we'll just kind of flip over. I did get the 12 month as opposed to the 18 month. That I've got before. Last time I got the 18th month planner, it was fine, but when it started getting towards time for everyone else to get new planners, I was seeing new planner videos, and I was just like, oh, I want a new planner. So that kind of just really deterred me from doing an 18 month again. So I just went ahead and got the 12. So that's what that looks like. They also have a note page in the front of every month, which I like that, for ideas of keeping notes or appointments or just making new vision boards every month. I think would be a really great idea for that as well. Then of course you have a notes section here. And then they also gave you, you still get your dotted pages here. Let's see if you got any grid pages. So I think they took out the grid pages and they actually gave you a coloring book. So I think this is really great because this is going to be my everything planner. This is going to be the planner that I use when I'm out of town and so forth. So I'm happy that it actually gave me a coloring book. So the next thing I like about this is you also have your stickers. And these are also, they are gold and they're rose gold and they are silver. So they're all foiled, which is really, really pretty, I think. And they've changed a lot from the do-it-all dots, the little small do-it-all dots. And then you have some more here. I really love this icon page here. This is really cute. And it has a lot of foiling on that as well. And then they look like boxes, but they're like little small boxes. They're not full boxes. Then you get your folder. And you also get your little pocket over here. And you get your perpetual calendar as well. And that also has dates and holidays to remember in the back. And again, it's just the regular perpetual calendar for that. And then last but not least, in receiving the planner and everything this year, I wanted to do something a little bit extra. And I want to keep this planner neat. And like I said to you guys before, this is definitely a planner that I'm definitely going to want to take with me and do things with it. And just really have it as my catch-all and my main house planner. So I did happen to also purchase the planner portfolio, which is right here. Which looks great, by the way. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And so this is just what that looks like. It's really of a soft material. I love the flowers on it. I went ahead and went with the flowers and the black because I think it's hard to get black dirty. So that way I don't have to worry about washing it. So here's the zipper on there. Okay. So it unzips almost all the way around. And so that's what it looks like when you open it. It has pockets are in here as well. You have a top pocket there. You do have a pen holder right there, so you can definitely put things down in the pocket. This one is a deep pocket. These are little smaller pockets. And then you have this, so it's like an opening in the inside there. And then you can, comes all the way through there. So this is where you can actually keep your planner. So this is just amazing, you guys. I'm really impressed with this. So I'm definitely going to decorate that, because how functional is this to actually carry with you when you're planning. So okay, let's see if we're going to have any problems here. Because, you know, your things always, tabs always come over the end just a little bit. So, I don't know. It looks like it's going to be a problem, you guys. With the coil on it. So, I'm probably going to have to pull it in there kind of tight. So, that's what that looks like. So, I guess it's going to take just a little bit of, you know, a breaking in and whatever. But anyway, guys, there you have it. That is my Erin Condren unboxing for you guys. This video, I think, is one of the best videos I've done. I was really excited about this, and you guys did get to see that I opened everything with you guys up on camera. So this is exciting. I cannot wait to get started and my planner, and I'm gonna go and start filling this with goodies right now. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed what you see, definitely make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're new, definitely hit the subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And guys, don't forget to turn on that bell notification. That way you can see more planner videos and other videos that I upload as well, and they come straight to your inbox. You don't have to subscribe. Well, you have to subscribe because it's free, so why wouldn't you want to subscribe? So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the very next video. Bye.